Assalamu alaikum. If you want to give an assignment to your student with MCQs, you are to go to the Microsoft Office website with the address forms.office.com. So I'm going to open it. First of all, it will demand your username and password. You are to write here your username as I have done it. This one is my username, and you are to put in your password, and on the next page you will see like this one. So I close it. Here you will see here with the tag new form and new quiz. So you are to click here on a new quiz. So here you will write here the title of the quiz. So my this quiz carries button MCQs title. So down here you can write the description of your assignment. You can write the description of your quiz. Click the correct option out of the 4 given choices. Add new choice. So here is your first question. Down here the second option. In the third line the third option. And in the fourth line the fourth choice or option. You are to tick mark the correct one. Here this one is the correct, so you are to click here on the correct answer. So it clicked. And those students who click this option, you can leave for them well done message. Here you can write well done, or you can write excellent, or you can write very good, and go to the add new. So before it you have to write here the points, the marks of each question. So each question carries 1 mark. I have written it. Add new, choice, add option. Here automatically point 1 will be written down here. So you can write the second question here with the choices and the options, and so on. You can write here as many questions as you want to give to your student. Having done it, so go to the 3 dots and go to settings. Here you can see a lot of things. Who can fill out this form? Anyone with the link can respond. Only people in my organization can respond. It's okay. Down here, start date, end date. So this is the start date. I want to assign this quiz starting from tomorrow. So today 3rd of August and yesterday is 4th of August. So I select this date, and here is the time. This quiz will allow the students to respond from, for example, 12 p.m. tomorrow, and it will end the same date from 12:15 p.m. If your quiz carries 10 MCQs, then 15 minutes will be sufficient. Okay, you can also change this time as well. So you have other options. Shuffle questions. If you want to shuffle all the questions student wise, so you are to click here. So all questions will be shuffled, and the students will be assigned all the questions with the different numbers. So you can click here for notification. Send email receipt to respondents. Okay, get email notification of each response. Okay, so you can get email notification of each response in your inbox of Microsoft Teams account. So now secondly, you are to click here the word share, copy. This link is ready for you to paste. Now the next step, you are to go to your Microsoft Teams, and here you can see your classes. If you want to share this quiz with this class, so go there and go to your relevant subject. Click here format. Here write the subject. Quiz regarding the lesson button. Students, you are required to complete the quiz and send it to me within the time. The quiz will start tomorrow at 12 p.m. and will end 12:15 p.m. So write down here, paste that link you have copied earlier. So here is your quiz, and here you can send it to your students. So you can do it, like it in your other classes and send it to your students. That's all. Your quiz will be assigned to the students, and the students will be allowed to open this quiz at 12 p.m. tomorrow, and the quiz time will end at 12:15 p.m. and the students will be able to understand about the time and the closing date of this quiz. Thanks for watching.